Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your House of Marley Smile Jamaica 2nd generation earbuds. So to do this, you just have to grab your earbuds and use this button. You have to just click and hold it and take a look for this indicator. Let's do this one more time because it is not working. So click and hold and take a look for this indicator. It will turn off. There we go. It blinks 3 times red, so it means that we successfully turned them off. And to turn them on, just click and hold and also take a look for the indicator and keep holding until it starts blinking. So right now we are connected back. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.